Good morning mga kayo. It's a weekend today. And anong ganap ngayon? Busy kami ngayon. Pupunta ng farmer's market to buy some fresh vegetables and kung ano pang makikita doon. Maybe we'll eat food. They get food too. And then after that, we're going to LBC to drop a balikbayan box full of books for our little library in the Philippines. It's paying it forward for all the blessings that we received and to help kids in the Philippines to read some books. And I just dropped off Bossing in her jazzercise. It's gonna be an hour. Then before going home, I have to get some gas for her. So this is how you do self-service gas here in California. You do it on your own. Stop, likod. So it's done. So we're going to the car wash. And we have to put the coat. Dito na tayo. Car wash. Stop here and wait for it to finish. So ginagawa namin ito pag wala ng oras, like busy time. We're good. Let's go. So I'm gonna go back home and wait for 30 minutes. Okay, thank you mga kayo. This is my wife's collection of books. She loves to read. That's why our little library came up, because she wants to donate books to the Philippines. So this is what yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, na we'll be sending box of balikbayan box to the Philippines full of books. So I'll just show it to you. So these are full of books. We'll be sending it today. Full already. So busy day. It's kind of heavy, but it's fine. Giving back to the community. Okay, and this one is for the family. We'll be sending to the family too, because the LBC has a promo. Mas mura ngayon. So magpapadala kami. The promo ends until June 30, I think. So samahan nyo kami mamaya. Oh, books. So there was a time that we loved the series CSI. So we bought everything CSI. So we're picking up Boozing now. Tapos na siyang mag-exercise. Dito sa school, it's a Foster City Elementary School. Ito din yung school na nag-donate ng books sa amin. The teachers are very good. There's Boozing. Ang ganda ng school nila. There's Boozing waiting for me. She's done with her exercise. Hi, Bossing. How was it?
It's fun.
Good. 1 hour of sweating?
Yes.
Good.
1 hour of dancing plus a little bit pain.
Well, no pain, no gain. No pain, no gain.
No pain, no gain.
So, farmers market?
Yes.
Ito yung papunta ng farmers market here in Foster City.
Salamat pag-pick up na ako, lala.
Oh, anytime. So, we will pass by Visa Center.
Usually daghang tao diri but it's a weekend, so I love this area.
Yeah.
Arrange kayo ilang life tanaw.
Then we're gonna turn right at the Starbucks.
Yeah. Yeah, dayon left, quick left.
Quick left.
Dayon find parking.
And the farmers market is at the corner. And Foster City, what street is that?
Foster City Boulevard.
Foster City Boulevard.
So
At the center.
right here, then ay Starbucks dira ay. Pero mas laming kape dito. Right and then quick left. Whoa, Jack, your car, Jack.
We'll go here.
Yeah, right dito ka sa next one, diba? Find park na ka kay puno.
Okay.
Daghan magtao nga ni.
Right?
Yeah, anywhere.
Anywhere I can park in your heart forever.
Nabiya mi sat karon. Nobody but
Okay,
you.
we're here. So we're here at the farmers market. These are locally produced here in California.
Nara. Nami kay ni sila kape. We should buy while dili siya.
Okay, you should buy one. Okay,
Ya kana mo ng Chinese ang yan.
okay, sige. So we'll buy coffee first to keep us running. So we love coffee.
Ha?
Yeah, buy some coffee. So this is their farmers market. So we're here at the table.
Video dahil ni.
It's a video. The table somewhere in the center of the farmers market. This is what we got. I have the beef over rice gyudon from a Japanese
kind.
stall, and what's this, sukiyaki?
Takoyaki.
Takoyaki. Takoyaki. So we're enjoying our lunch. Of course, we got coffee.
Finally, I'm with you.
Ay mga kayo, kain muna kami. Bossing. So, na free taste there eh. sa mga fruits nila. So you can have free taste. Taste this one. Bosing isda. Pwede ka mag-free taste. Sarap ng mga prutas. Some beans. Talong over there for buckwheat. Fresh ko kayo ilang vegetables.
Lantay ko ulit.
Nap kalbasa.
Yan na dito, cut na.
Okay.
Lutuan na niya ako kaya madami.
Yeah, sayote. Some olive over there. Onion. Kangkong. Daming vegetables. Kangkong. Puro fresco vegetables and fruits here. Bossing is paying over there. They have pastries too. Masarap din yung pastries nila dito. They got a pony over here and you have to pay for the ride. They're so obedient. They don't have move.
You want to ride? Well, is she allowed to ride? Yeah, you just have to walk with her. Okay. You have to sign that paper.
Hey mga kayo, we're done at the farmers market. So we have fruits, vegetables, and we have lunch there. The food is good.
We had takoyaki and gyudon.
And then we have the what's that? Tres leches.
Tres leches.
And then nabusog na kami sa pagtitikim ng mga
Unlimited
prutas.
free taste sa fruits.
Mm.
Naghan-cake free taste.
Yeah. Next one, LBC for the books. But we have to go home, babat.
Fix the books ka, wala pa siya nasara.
Yeah, and then lagyan pa ng tape para masara. Tapos going to LBC and South San Francisco. Thank you mga kayo.
See ya!
See you. Hi mga kayo, now we're off to LBC. Dropping all those boxes.
2 boxes.
2 boxes. See you.
I'm still working on the tres leches
Tres
from
leches.
the farmer's market.
Okay.
One for the road. See
Sarap.
ya!
So we're here at LBC. So and then the hard part again, moving these 2 boxes, putting it at the dolly. Okay, good luck to us. Moving it. We'd like to move it. So we finally put it down from there inside here sa dolly. And LBC is right there. Okay. Hello, love. Bossing, smile.
Thank you, Lala.
So we're here again at Seafood City Supermarket. It's like a Filipino town square here in South San Francisco. And then para ka na rin nasa Pilipinas kasi mostly here are Filipinos, mga kababayan natin na pumupunta rin pag may kailangan sila ng mga groceries at saka kumakain sa Jollibee there with ribbon, magpadala ng pera sa in-law here, and then groceries at Seafood City, and there's Valerius, that's a Filipino bakery, and then the Balikbayan box, and then over here is the LBC. That's LBC over there, and then Chowking. Chowking is over here. That's Chowking there. So this is the road. So those houses are known for the San Francisco houses. Dikit-dikit. Pine trees.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from little Yas to each of you. Content creator making videos on the